Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of Standard 11, Chapter 1. Today's topic is classification of animals. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about phylum Arthropoda, phylum Echinodermata, and phylum Chordata. Phylum 7, Arthropoda. Arthropoda comes from Greek word name arthon means joint plus podos means foot. That means joint enriched, joint footed animal are discussed in this phylum. Member of animals 12 lakh 57,040. This is the largest phylum among animal kingdoms. Characteristics of Arthropoda. Number 1. The body of these animals are enriched of joint appendages. Bilateral symmetry is present. What is bilateral symmetry? You know, being divisible into symmetrical halves on either of planes. Number 2, body is metameric, divisible to different tagma. Body is metameric. Metameric means similar segment, divisible to different tagma, different region. Example, head, thorax and abdomen. Number 3, body covered with cuticle formed with chitin. What is chitin? Chitin is polysaccharides normally present in cell wall. Number 4, a pair of antenna and a pair of compound eyes are present in their head. What is compound eyes? An eye enriched of numerous small visual units or numerous simple eye is called compound eye. They have open type of blood circulatory system, blood filled hemocell. Open blood circulatory system, that means their blood doesn't move always into the blood vessels. It may open into the body cavity. Number 6, digestive system is completed. That means mouth and anus both are present in their digestive system. Different types of mouth parts are present. Respiration is done by trachea, gills, book lungs or body surface. Book lungs. What is book lungs? A respiratory organ consists of a series of thin plates that are arranged like the pages of book. I am saying again, a respiratory organ consists of a series of thin planes that are arranged like the pages of book is called book lungs. Number 8, Malpighian tubules work as the main excretory organ. Number 9, unisexual animal, that means male and female different. Metamorphosis is seen in life cycle. Metamorphosis What is metamorphosis? The process of transformation from an adult form in two or more distinct stages. That means the animals who is converted adult from their early stage, some changes must be happened in their life cycle. Example, honeybee, scientific name Apis indica. Cockroach, scientific name Periplaneta americana. Phyllabate, Echinodermata, comes from Latin word echinatus, that means spinous, that means spine enriched, plus Greek word derma means skin, plus eta means to bear, that means spine enriched skin carrier animal is in Echinodermata. Member 7550. Characteristics. Number 1, adult body is unsegmented with radial or pentamerous symmetry. Pentamerous means having parts arranged in group in 5. Penta means 5. All are marine. Number 3, their dermis spinous, ossicular skeleton with spine and pedicellary. Number 4, body is arranged with definite oral and aboral planes, especially in adult stage. Water vascular system is present for respiration and locomotion. And water vascular system is a special type of characteristics of this type of animal. Number 6, locomotion done by their 2 feet. Number 7, hymal and perihymal system act as circulatory system. Now the question, what is hymal system? In echinoderms, blood vascular system is called hymal system. And perihymal system, circulatory system which is connecting with radial channels and body cavity is called perihymal system. I am saying again, circulatory system of echinoderms which is connecting with radial channels and body cavity is called perihymal system. They are unisexual, that means male female different. Number 9, free swimming larva is present in their life cycle. What is larva? Active immature form of an invertebrates, especially one that differs greatly from the adult. That means the early stage of invertebrate and their body structure is different than the adult is called larva. Example, starfish, scientific name Asterias vulgaris. Holothuria, scientific name Cucumaria plancy. Phylum 9, Chordata, comes from Latin word chorda means cord and Greek word ata means to bear. That means the animal who carries the cord. What is cord? Cord means here nerve cord. The part of central nervous system of corded and develops into the vertebral column. That means the part of central nervous system which is in the hollow space of our vertebral column is called cord. Members 68,626. Characteristics: number 1, notochord; number 2, nerve cord; number 3, gill shields. Notochord. What is notochord? Actually, notochord is our backbone or vertebral column. We may say the notochord, a rod-like unsegmented structure that forms a stiffening body axis of chordata. Nerve cord, I have told, part of central nervous system which is present into our vertebral column or backbone. Gill shields. Gill shields is present in chordate in their life cycle, in any stage of life cycle or the total life. Endostyle. What is endostyle? A pair of folds present in pharyngeal cavity that secretes mucus for trapping particles or germs is called endostyle. I am saying again, a pair of folds present in pharyngeal cavity that secretes mucus for trapping particles is called endostyle, and endostyle may present in chordate. Number 5, blood circulatory system. You know, blood circulatory system is one of the important system of our body or chordate, which helps to supply the oxygen and nutrient into the whole body as well as collect the wastage from different part of the body to a special organ, then excrete it. So blood circulatory system is important and blood circulatory system is present in chordata. Number 6, lococation of heart. You know, heart is the central pumping organ of blood circulatory system. It is present in vertebrate most of the time. Ventral part of their body. Number 7, tail. Tail is present in chordates except human. Girdle. Girdle is the bony structure which helps to attach the hand and leg. Example: Monacoa grimaldi. Monacoa grimaldi. Follow here. The bones, that means the skeletal system or the backbone is visible because this type of fish is transparent. Pigeon, scientific name Columba livia. Thank you.